Okay, she happened again. We're gonna end up fixing it again. This part right here broke on me. There's the piece. See how much of it's gone? I had it temporary just to get it home. I had enough there to actually, this right here, had enough to actually get it up on there just so I can get it home. So we're gonna replace this piece of crap again, and I guess you'll be here with us. So first thing we're gonna do is take this little baby off right here. I keep my camera there. So we loosen that up, pull it off. Of course, don't forget to undo this right here. You just push that in right there and pull out. You can sort of swing that around. Alright, next we're going to take these hoses off. Mine's going to have a little water in it. Make sure it's, make sure your car is cold. Mine's been sitting here all day, so we're all good. I'm going to have water in it. Where I had to put some in it. Mostly water, no antifreeze. That way I can, just let her. So this little piece right here, it just pops off like that. Pulls up like that. And then comes apart. See that? Got this one down here. Y'all see that? It just comes apart. Push that in. Pulls it. This out of our way. Last one we got is this one right here. Now all we got is the 3 bolts take off, and that's it. And it comes right off. So we get these 3 bolts. Helps turn the right direction. Got one on the bottom. And one over here in the front. might have to find a shorter extension. Let me go find one. Okay, well, I couldn't find my short extension, so we'll do it the old-fashioned way. With a little ratchet. It'll go in there. So we'll take that off. It ain't very tight. And the bolts won't come out. They're stuck in the... Oh, sorry about that, guys. Boy. Well, anyway, there she is. That's what happened with that piece of shit right there. Was it? Made in China. Look. What do you know? Look, made in China. Same damn thing. Like I said, I didn't replace this thing once. They're all junk. Every damn one of them. Okay, I do want to point out, you need to clean the surfaces really well, so your gasket and all that stuff will seal up. So let me clean all this up and we'll put it back together. Okay, as you see, my surfaces are clean, all down there. So we're gonna stick it on. As you notice, like I said, the bolts are still in it, and the new one. This is the new one. Make sure you got the gasket. So I'm not gonna put silicone on it. I'm just gonna put it on there. The gasket's thick enough, so I don't see, I didn't have any problem last time, so I guess if you really wanted to, you can put a little bit of silicone on it, but just make sure you get them started in the holes. Now we're gonna see if we can get this off. I'll try to be gentle with it so I don't break the damn earring off. Because every damn thing brittle. Of course, I guess it's supposed to squeeze in on something here. Yeah, that ain't gonna work. Like we just say forget it and put it back on there. It's so hard and brittle. I mean, the damn thing won't even squeeze. I think you're supposed to push that in right there and it's supposed to pop up, but She don't. There we go. So there's a little O-ring in there, but mine looks okay. I want to stick it down in there. Make sure it clicks. Of course, it wants to be a pain in the butt to get on. I'm trying to get the little ears down there below it. Well, that might have been a mistake trying to get that damn thing, so. There it went. It's always a pain in the butt for every damn thing. There it went. You just have to make sure you get these little ears. These things right here. Alright. Now I gotta find the clip that fell off. I'm gonna put this back. Slides in there like that. Okay, we need to get this off. So I'm just going to push it in this little tab right here and push down on it. Same thing on the other side. Push it down a little bit. Push it in. See how that come out? Then you can toss that piece of shit in the trash. I guess we'll just slide this thing on there first. Just like that. And then we're just going to put it in the hole just like that. So I'll put that back on. Okay, so plug these up. This one I assume go back down here somewhere. There we go. And this one, plug right here. Just like that. Alright, that's it. Let's fill it up.